Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scalloped edge. So this is made with using the double crochet stitches. I have 20 double crochets along this side. Now if you are making a scarf with double crochet stitches, it can be like this, like going all the length you wanted, and then the last double crochet I'm just unraveling it, and I'm going to put my brown yarn on it. So we are going to, I will show you the last double crochet. It is just like this, and I am not finishing it, leaving the 2 loops on the hook. Then I'm going to attach my brown yarn here, just a slip stitch to both loops. Then I'm going to make a chain 1. Then I'm going to make a slip stitch in the same space. Then in the next one I'm going to make a half double crochet, yarn over hook, wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over hook and bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through all the 3 loops on the hook. Now chain 1. Now use that half double crochet as a post, make a single crochet. Actually you are going to make 5 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Then in the next one make a half double crochet, then chain 1, then make that half double crochet as a post, make 1 2 3 4 5 and slip stitch to the next. These are the scalloped ones. So repeat all the way here. Once it is finished, it is like this. If it is you are making a frock or a skirt or something, then also you can do like the scalloped edging. It's a very easy pattern. Even the beginners can make the edging like this. Okay, see you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.